Hi, and welcome to the Teaching Corner. I wanted to show you what the students at my school made me for my trip to Spain. They made me this little booklet, and in it they included a map of where I'm going, and they included the Spanish words, the packing lists of all the words that I asked them for. They included things that I might need to be able to say at the airport, things I need to travel in Spanish, things you need to know in Spanish. Um, yeah, at the airport, at restaurants, what I would need to be able to say at a restaurant, what I would need to say at the doctor, um, finding places in Spanish, and then they all signed their names. So I thought that was really sweet. And I just wanted to share some of the Spanish for the packing list, and then I'll do a few other videos for some of the other things that they said. So shoes, they said was zapatos. And please, I'm not a native speaker. This is why I asked the students. So if I say any of these incorrectly, I'm so sorry. Hat is sombrero. Kit is kit de emergencia. Backpack is mochila. Water bottle, botella de agua. T-shirt, camiseta. Pants, pantalones. I knew that one. Walking stick, bastón. Toilet paper. And then chapstick, balsamo labial, eyeglasses, lentes, passport is pasaporte. I did know that one as well. And then for your razor, navaja, lip balm, pompada para labios, deodorant, desodorante, headlamp, lámpara de cabeza, travel bedding is ropa de cama para viaje, soap is jabón, um, medication is medicamento, eating utensils is utensioles para para comer. Towel is toalla, pillow is, I don't know how to say that, almohada. Lotion is loción. Toothbrush is cepillo de dientes. And then toothpaste is pasta de diente. So I hope that was helpful. If that was, please leave a like, a share, and or comment down below. I'm sure I butchered some of those pronunciations, but I thought that was very sweet of them. So thank you so very much.